Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best tools, gadgets, and upgrades for your ride. Today, we've got something that should be on every gearhead's radar: the best universal headlight switch you can get your hands on. It's the AMNEN Universal 2-Position Push-Button Headlight Switch, model AM710C, and we're about to show you why this is a must-have for your vehicle. Let's start with the design. This thing is solid, built for durability and reliability. With a compact form factor measuring just over 3 inches long, 1.57 inches wide, and 1.18 inches tall. It's designed to fit into tight spots without compromising function. Whether you're restoring a classic car, working on a custom truck build, or just need a no-nonsense solution, this universal switch is a perfect match. This isn't your average headlight switch. The AM710C is a 2-position switch. That means you get off, parking lamp, and headlight modes, giving you full control with a simple push and pull. The mechanism feels smooth and solid, thanks to its high-strength ball bearing system that ensures reliable engagement every time. And it's truly universal. Whether you're installing it in a passenger car, a commercial vehicle, a truck, a bus, or even a tractor, this switch can handle the job. It supports both 12 volts and 24 volt systems, and the current ratings are just as impressive: 10 amps at 12 volts and 6.6 amps at 24 volts. That means you're covered for a wide range of applications without worrying about overload or compatibility. What about build quality? AMNEN didn't cut any corners here. The switch is made from brass and copper, materials known for their conductivity and resistance to wear and corrosion. And with screw-type terminals, wiring it up is straightforward and secure. No fancy connectors, no hassle, just reliable, old-school engineering that works. Installation is as easy as it gets. If you're handy with basic tools, you can wire this up in under 20 minutes. And once it's in place, it blends right in, giving your dashboard a clean, functional look. It doesn't try to be flashy, it just does the job and does it well. So, if you're dealing with a faulty factory switch or building something from scratch, the AMNEN AM710C is your go-to solution. It's reliable, affordable, rugged, and easy to install. That's why we're calling it the best headlight switch universal. Make sure to check it out if you're serious about upgrading or repairing your vehicle's lighting system. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what you want us to review next. This is Product Critique, where we keep it real, one part at a time. Thanks for watching.